Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. There's a reason I'm called Frugal. It's because I'm frugal. Now, I'm not that guy that's going to get up from the table when the check comes, but when it comes to me and myself, I will cut corners and make things last. I bought this meat from the grocery store. It's lamb chops, is what it is, and they marked it down. Well, I'll bring it home and freeze it, and I buy meat like that a lot. And if it's available, I'll stock up on it. If I like it, so I said, well, I want to try these lamb chops. So I put them on the charcoal grill along with a little piece of kielbasa. And you talk about something that's to die for. These things are delicious. I had no idea that these would be this good. And I didn't season them either because I want to, if I hadn't ate something like that, I don't want to season it and mask the taste of it. I just want the regular taste, but there's nothing on it. It's just been grilled and meat. But if you can find deals like that at the grocery store in the meat section, normally they aren't consistent and they aren't at the same time. But I know the one grocery store I shop at, they have a particular label, and I can spot them labels from 20 feet. And if it's something I like or eat a lot of, I'll grab it in a heartbeat and put it in the freezer. And I'll take it out, put it in the refrigerator a day or two before I get ready to cook it. And I'll enjoy it like that. I'm out here eating outside today. I love eating outside, especially when you don't have the flies and all to deal with. It's about 45, 50 degrees in North Carolina today, and all the flies and stuff are gone for right now. They'll probably be back with a vengeance. But I'm just out here enjoying my lunch on the porch, getting ready to start doing some tree work again. Thanks so much for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.